So welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides, and in this episode we're going to talk about ceramic foam. So we're going to demonstrate the ceramic foam on this Land Rover Defender. Now it's a brand spanking new car, it has absolutely zero water repellency on it, so I'll just show you on these two panels here. There's absolutely really no water behaviour happening here at all. As you can see, it's sheeting quickly just because it's a new car, but you can see down the bottom there, there's really no beads, there's no water repellency whatsoever. Now, all you're going to do is take your snow foam cannon, as you'll see here, and you'll fill your snow foam cannon with 4 capfuls of ceramic foam, and then you'll use 400ml of water to top the foam cannon up. How you're going to use your foam cannon is simply switch it onto the gun, and you just use this like a standard foam cannon. Don't have to do anything different. It can touch the glass, it can touch the wheels, it can touch the rubber, it can touch any surface it's going to make contact with. So we'll just do this small section here. So what you're going to be left with is this kind of, it's going to look very different to your pre-washing snow foam. It has not got a huge high foaming content in there just to allow the ceramic to bond to the surface. But what you'll start to see is this weird style of foam and film over the car. Now you're going to notice a considerable difference here straight away when I come to rinse this on the water repellency of the panel. And that there is how you use our ceramic foam. Now, as I said, it can be used across any surface it's really going to come into contact with. It's not going to leave any residue behind on the glass or anything like that at all. It is literally just going to leave this nice, sleek and smooth finish. Now, there's a couple of things you can do here. You can either towel dry it. It's very, very good for blow drying. One of the other big benefits to ceramic foam is if I switch the pressure washer off here, you can do the greatest Instagram trick ever, and you can start to dry the panel by using water. You can get our Autoperfekt ceramic foam over on autoperfekt.co.uk. Head over to the website, but I suppose if you're watching this video you've probably already got it. We're going to foam the rest of the car. We'll see you in the next one.